So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update a file in Google Drive while keeping the same file. That means if you don't want to share the link with everyone again, but you want to update something on the same link, you can easily do it. Now let's say for example, on my drive, I have this file and I want to update this file. That means I want to change this file. In order to do it, just simply right click on that specific file, then click on this option of file information, and then here you'll see this option of manage versions. Click over there, and here you'll see this option of upload new version. So just simply click over there and browse in and select the best version of that file that you want to upload or change the file, and just simply hit close and you're good to go. The file have been updated. Now opening the same link will open this new file. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.